top story. Hapless citizens who have turned to social media to amplify their pleas for medical help should not face any backlash from the police. The Supreme Court warned the centre and states today as it heard the suo motu case on the centre's management of the COVID-19 pandemic. The court's observations are significant as it comes on the heels of Uttar Pradesh's Adityanath government deciding to prosecute people under the National Security Act for allegedly raising false alarms on social media. This week in UP, an FIR was filed against a man who sought help for oxygen for his grandfather on Twitter.
As a COVID-positive central official started a presentation, the Supreme Court bench made clear their appreciation, saying they favoured collaboration, not criticism. But the court had tough questions for the centre, and some of the worst hit states. The Uttar Pradesh government's move to punish those who post messages on social media seeking oxygen cylinders came in for criticism by the top court. The court said if citizens communicate their grievances on social media, we do not want clampdown on information. Let us hear their voices. There should not be any presumptions that the grievances raised on internet by citizens are false. We will treat this as contempt if any citizen is harassed. On Delhi's situation on oxygen demand and supply, the court pulled up both the centre and Delhi government and said, Centre has special responsibility for Delhi and must play proactive role as a national authority towards the capital. This is the commitment you owe to the citizens of Delhi. In the same breath, court told Delhi government, in the extreme times there should not be any political bickering. Politics is for the time of elections. Now the citizens' lives are at stake. We want cooperation. Terming the pricing of vaccine a serious issue, court questioned the rationale behind the centre's dual pricing. It said the national immunization model must be followed for vaccination. Why different pricing of vaccine for state and centre? The centre responded saying that it is taking all necessary action and the situation is not dynamic. Supreme Court asked the centre what steps is the centre taking to curb the spread.
Judges said a short order will be uploaded in the Supreme Court website on Saturday morning and the case will be taken up on May 10th. Meanwhile, the centre will have to respond to the queries raised by the Supreme Court bench. In New Delhi, Arunachalam by Janathan, NDTV.